Welcome back, guys, to the daily analysis. This is day 4, and in day 3, I made a video concerning AUD USD and saying why I wouldn't want to buy it at this zone because I was already looking for a trade on Euro USD, and I already had a loss on Euro USD. I was trying to keep my rules intact. I don't like losing this week, which was unmitigated, and we see price markup. So what I'll do is on Euro USD, I can wait for price to retrace back to the imbalance that marked out on lower time frame and to these zones, if I may. But for now, my attention is on AUD USD. Okay, on Euro USD, we see this liquidity inducement and an impulsive break to the top side, and you see that retracement back into these zones, which I was looking for buys from yesterday at these zones, but I didn't take the trade. And what do we see right here? We see structure forming, break of structure, retracement, break of structure, and these zones were left unmitigated, which price has finally mitigated it. I don't really like the price action, it's not clean enough. Like, there are wicks everywhere. There are wicks everywhere. And price has already left the zones I was looking for buys from. This is 7 a.m. Western African time, and London session just opened. So yeah, let's go to the 1 hour. I do multi time frame analysis, like to have a better understanding on price action. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and place my buy order at this zone. Okay. Alright, give me a second to quickly put this on my phone. Okay. I've already taken a buy on the phone, and yeah, let's see what price does. So the target is the liquidity on the top side. So why am I using this zone? This zone is a protected low, which since price is showing me signs of going upwards, I'm going to place my stop below here. And short term target is this zone. And but the overall setup, if we go to the 1 hour, this is the overall setup. Impulsive break, price comes back, filling the imbalance, mitigates the order block, show me signs of moving upwards. And I'm willing to risk my money on the trade because all my rules are being met. So this is the overall target, which gives me 7.69 RR. And what is going to make you profitable is not just your strategy, is a number of things. Your strategy, your psychology, especially your risk management, and what people most people don't really know is your in trade management. Your trade management is very important. How do you go about managing your trades? How do you go about securing your profits? How you go about breaking even? All these things adds up to profitability on the long run. So my entry has been triggered already. I bought manually instead of putting my buy limit because there was no time. And let's see where price goes to. I'll make a video as the price progress. Okay guys, so a setup just presented itself on GBP USD. If you can remember from the previous video I posted yesterday, I took a loss on GBP USD around this area, and price finally tapped into an unmitigated order block on a lower time frame, which you cannot really see from here. And price markup creates this low, tapping into this zone, and we see that impulsive break. So I've traced out this unmitigated block, which I'll be waiting for price to come back and tap me in and scale up. So yeah, my AUD is also running, currently in profit. The trade on AUD is running currently in profit, and I'll go to that very soon. So this is the target, 3.69 RR, which on a lower time frame I can still look for more confirmation entries. But for now, I'm just gonna set my buy limit on this order block because I have to go on with my day. I have to do other stuffs also. So the trade I took on AUD USD some minutes ago or some an hour ago. Let's go down to the 15 minutes or 30 minutes. So my first target has been hit. I'm not going to take partials yet. So what do we see? Impulsive break, liquidity grab. We see price start making new higher highs, and I took a trade from this zone. Today is CPI, so CPI is around 130 and it's just 8 a.m. So I still have time to break even. Alright, so I'll be posting more videos as price keeps going up or down, wherever. Yes, sir. Welcome back, guys. And this trade I took was tapped in at this point. The liquidity point, my first target was hit at this point, which I didn't take partials. I was waiting for price to go up a bit at 3 RR. I wanted to take partials at 3 RR, but he ran a total of 2.3 RR, which is 12.5 pips movement. Yeah, I came back. I broke even because normally when that was weird. I broke even because normally when my first liquidity point is being taken, I like to break even to secure myself from taking any loss, which price eventually sold back down and stopped me out on break even. And on GBP USD, I took a loss on GBP USD, my first loss of today. And yeah, that is GBP USD. I took a trade from this zone, and as you can see, my SL have been triggered. So GBP USD is a loss. I still have like one trade remaining to take. But for now, the market is not really showing me anything, and CPI is coming very soon. CPI is going to be dropped at 1:30, and it's 12:28 p.m. So I'm done for today. I don't trade news. I'm done for today. Another losing day. I'm currently going through a losing streak, which is fine. I've been here before, and I have always been coming out of it. So I'm not going to let my emotions get the best of me. I'm going to stay away from the market. And news is coming up anyway, so I'm just going to stay away from the market till tomorrow. Okay, so let's write it here. My -1, -1, R, negative 0.5%. Okay, let's download let's download these charts for journaling purposes. So I took a loss on GBP USD. I'm on a losing streak. Three trade like lost on GBP USD. Three losing streak. I don't know how to put that word, but while on AUD USD, our broke even. I already downloaded for AUD USD, but I'm seeing some